Hi class, welcome to Unit 2 of Image Editing Applications. I am just going to review with you right now sort of what's expected so we can avoid any miscommunication. So this week we're going to understand the cloud. Instructions for your weekly overview are right here, so you'll know exactly what's due. We have a couple things due. One, you're going to be doing a Flickr exercise. Do that after you begin looking at the overview, the PowerPoint, which is here. And then after the Flickr exercise, you want to create a Flickr account, and then you're going to do a number of different tasks. It's probably good for you all to print this part out this week or read it on your phone separate from your screen because there's a lot of little things you want to do. So it's all the step-by-step is right here. Next, you're going to create a new course Google account, or you can use your existing Gmail account if you'd like. Once you do that, you're going to go to the forum and post your course email there. And then from the Flickr exercise, you'll insert your classmate's email address. And then we're going to go back to Google. And then you're going to add your classmates to Google+. And then you're going to do a series of other tasks and descriptions of a photo, particular photo of your choice here. And then following that, you will save. And then you'll also work in the forum and respond to your students. And then you can add me as well to this. You'll do a reflection as well. So describing sort of the process of the tasks that you took throughout this unit. All of that, of course, goes under Unit 2, Submit, Post here. You'll do the forum with you'll post your Gmail account there, and then your Google Doc image links here once you're done. And then you'll talk about it afterwards. If you have any questions, please let me know. These are the links that are to be used. There's a PowerPoint overview, which gives you a really good background of some of the things we'll be doing and what their meaning is. And so if you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in next unit's virtual video.